Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
This video shows the only way to enable dark mode from System Settings. Open Settings and go to Display or Display and Brightness on your device. Find the Appearance or Theme section and look for Dark or Dark Theme. Toggle the dark option once to apply it across the system. This setting changes background and interface colors for supported apps and system menus immediately. On Android Open Settings, then choose Display and select Dark Theme to enable System Dark Mode. On iOS Open Settings, then tap Display and Brightness and set Appearance to Dark. Both platforms use one toggle to control system appearance for all supporting apps. After you switch the system theme, compatible apps will change automatically without extra app settings. If an app ignores system appearance, check the app settings for an independent theme toggle. After enabling System Dark Mode, verify that System UI and apps display dark backgrounds and light text. Use Schedule, Night Shift, or Automatic options to enable dark mode between 21:00 and 06:00 every night. For accessibility, adjust contrast or reduce white point if needed in accessibility settings. If an app fails to follow the system theme, close and reopen the app or reboot the device to force the update. This method
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.